is. So yesterday, I think it was yesterday, me and my mom, we were going to Taekwondo, I think it was, and I saw the cat again, and I tried to walk up to it, and it like ran off and then disappeared. And so I have no idea where it went. But yet again, I had no idea where this cat went. Like, I didn't know if it like went inside somewhere or what, because like I couldn't find it anywhere. I was tempted to ask a few people in my apartment complex if they knew what was up with this cat and if it was any of theirs, but I didn't. Now I kind of wish I would have, because I'm really interested about it now. Yes, like I'm really interested in it now. I have no idea what's going on with it. Yeah. I also think my apartment complex is haunted. Bye guys.